Welcome, here I've got Blackview A80 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it we can open the advanced camera settings, and here at the third position we have the grid lines option. By using this button we can easily turn them on. Another tap to turn them off when we don't need them. Now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera preview to see it. And as you can see we have these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture. So when I take a photo and when I go here to the left to the button that follows us to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them we can easily go back to the left corner to this button and use this button to turn them off. For now, in the camera preview, the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.